agent for TLPS.
Wow.
Marjorie at positive 40.91%. Francesca Nicole Villegas.
Wow. That's an outfit.
Okay, picture and then we'll ask what's your tips for getting that promoter score.
Saan to? Saan to?
Okay, Francesca, what's your tip, man, since you're new hire and most of the tenured individual marriage positive 40. So congratulations, kay it's very rare for a new hire to get positive 40.91. So what's your tips, man?
Okay, so basically,
Basically.
I cannot really just give tips, you know. So, what I actually just did, I do know all of my coworkers know that I do have a lot of
1 hour na po ni Ron.
about 2 hours, 1 hour every single day.
1 hour na po nila.
So what I actually just did, I actually just empathized. So dili sa grabe ra. Like I really do empathize. Mama ko. Yan ako sa kong customer nga nako ka na ang duha ka buk anak, twins, 5 years old. Ayun, nag-turn na daw, nag-birthday na last buwan. But just to tell you the truth, like it's just like building the connection between the customer and you, you know, like what I actually did was to hear more of those stories that she or he will tell me, and then ako siya gamaan ng stories ako side. Yan ako mag-28 na ko sa dili good. Yan ako na ko iro sa wala. Yan ako na ko lima ka iring Oreo, choco, mocha, cake, milk sa wala. And even I said I had 2 golden retrievers and even 1 chihuahua sa wala. Yan ako na
Balbak na lang, oy.
Well, like I do know, like sometimes, like at some point, it felt like you're a psychologist inside the call. Like that's why, permi ko longkol and permi ko dongkol ni palagi. So that's like all of my tips is just to empathize, even though you extended the help, because I do know the customer will actually feel what you feel. Pero actually, na-surprise ko nga, naabot ko at yan, makalisultin ako. Abi na ko bagong ko kay 16 ako, 10 years ago. But I think all of you guys did a great job as well. Surprise ako, naabot ko ay naka 10 PS, but thank you, Goro, sa dokol-dokol ni Paladi.
Thank you, Francesca. Congratulations. And again, another award, top agent for CPR.
Marcy Romano.
76.92% certificate of recognition is awarded to Kyle Archie.
CPR ba ka ng mo? Sikol ba? Bagong tikaro. Babang na. Smile ba? Mana, uy!
Thank you. Another top agent for AICR with 59.90%. Certificate of recognition is awarded to Nicole Rose Barros.
Unsa daw na, TL? Unsa na, unsa?
Alright, thank you and congratulations again. Another top agents for sales with 18 activated lines, 3.59% sell and read. Certificate of recognition is awarded to our top seller, Maria Gemma Villalpalagay.
Ang real. Mana, oy.
Mana, uy.